Fam. Now I told y'all, this is the year, man. I'm coming with that pressure. I'm coming with that heat. I'm coming with them early.
Stop the cap.
But I ain't coming with them lies, man. Yeah, this the 2016 pill. But we did get new images of what we're expected to get this year. But yeah, I ain't clickbaiting. I'm just letting y'all know. We here to talk about it. YouTube family. What's good? What's going on? It is your boy Jay, the sneaker guy, man, coming back at y'all with a discussion video, man. We did get some recent images floating around, y'all. I do not have the shoe. I don't know who has them, but your boy Jay does not have them. Nope. And I want to have a discussion, y'all. I want to have a discussion about this in particular upcoming shoe. It is set to be releasing on March 1st of this year, and the retail on them will be $200. Of course, if you don't already know what shoe I'm talking about, I am talking about the Jordan 12 flu games. Yes. Did anyone get sick throughout my short introduction of this shoe, man? I want to talk to you guys about these, man. It has been 9 years, is it? Yeah, 9 years since these last released, and 9 years to me is looking like 9 days. I'm gonna talk to y'all about all that here in a second, man. Before we dive into it, make sure that you guys are diving into the new year the right way, the only way, y'all, with, of course, the most luxurious, the best TSA approved bag, and the best place for your shoes to be held in, y'all. Woo! Appreciate y'all. Bang, man, a premium bag from none other than Soul Premise, man. You see the SP engraved right there at the top, man. I do have this luxurious duffel bag right here, man. This duffel bag can hold a lot of different things, man. You got some side pockets right there. You got some more side pockets on this side, man. Outside of the leather quality that a lot of people go crazy for when we get certain in particular Jordans with this type of quality, you know, you get it on this bag and you can store shoes such as Jordan 12s in it, you know, sold out pieces. Look how perfect, bruh. Yeah, man. You can store some Royal, or what do they call these, blueberry 12s in there. You can store some Jordan 1 game Royals in there, man. Like, bruh, see, I just be doing too much, because I'm the type to put on a fit and step out in the airport with something like this, man, and just go crazy on them, y'all. But man, if you are stylish like that and you want to get a bag of your in particular liking as far as color wise to match with your fit or whatever, they got all that over there, man. And like I said, man, it's not really just about styling. It's about just having your shoes, your clothes, the things that you hold near and dear to you stored in the best and safest way possible, man. Soul Premise is the only way that I've been doing it, y'all. It is a new year, and yes, man, I'm still letting y'all know, rock out with them, y'all. The link is in the description. That link will save you almost 50% off. I don't know what more I gotta do. Maybe I gotta just say it's free. I mean, I don't know, man, but salute to everyone who has got one over the holidays. I've been seeing a lot of messages, a lot of comments under videos about people getting Soul Premise bags for the holidays, and you guys seem to like them, man. So hey, keep leaving your feedback down below in the comment section. If you have not gotten aboard yet, man, hey, I don't know what more can I say, like I always tell y'all, but the link does automatically apply to discount. Use that right now. And if you don't want to use the link, promo code is JayTheSneakerGuy. Get you one, don't get left in 2024. Hop aboard. But yeah, man, today, before we get into it, make sure y'all hit the subscribe button if you were new. I gotta throw that out there, man, because we're on the road to 200K, and we're about to hit 183K, man. So salute. Gotta show my appreciation of that, man. I appreciate everyone rocking out with your boy Jay for this new and upcoming year, man. I'm looking forward to it. A lot of big things coming up and happening, y'all. But yeah, man, it's Friday, slow Friday. Don't want to talk y'all ear off, but I do want to talk to y'all about some Jordan 12 flu games, which we just got announced and we seen official images of, y'all. Whoo, yes. So yes, y'all, it has recently been announced that we will be getting what a lot of y'all been asked for, the all over leather Jordan 12 flu games, y'all. So these pictures that I do have are courtesy of Sneaker Bar Detroit, y'all. I don't know if they're the first ones that broke out the pictures, but I did get those images from them, y'all. And as you can see clearly, we do got the all over leather joints expected to be releasing on March 1st for a retail tag of $200, man. My eye itching, y'all. Hold on.
Damn.
Yeah, man. What does that mean when your eye itches? Y'all comment down below. But anyways, yo, man, them right there, y'all. Now, this is where your boy Jay, New Jay. That's a new name for myself, New Jay, because I ain't 2024 Jay no more. I'm New Jay. I'm futurist Jay, all that stuff. But anyways, man, I am gonna pick them up. I'm gonna pick them up just to give you guys a look at those. But I honestly feel like I can get that shoe, hit y'all with a review. I might compare them to that of the 2016 pair, but I can easily throw my 2016 pair on feet and you will get the same exact look, same exact presentation, same exact everything as you would of the pair that is set to be releasing in March, y'all. When I look at that pair and I look at my pair, y'all, they look identical, y'all. I made a recent video talking about this shoe, man. If you guys check out my, it's like an upcoming 2025 retro face-off type video. I did show the Jordan 1 shatter backboards, and I did show these in that video. I stated in that video, what more could Jordan Brand do with this shoe? This shoe that was made back in, was it 2015 or 2016? Of course, they came out in 2016. I didn't know if they were manufactured in 2015. But this pair that was manufactured in 2016 was pretty much made to perfection, in my opinion. This shoe, like the leather quality, the hue of red they used on, of course, the areas where you do have the red, was just a spot on perfect look to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can only go, basically right now as I'm talking, I can only go based off of images that I'm seeing, but basically looking at them images, y'all, it is just a spitting image of what we got in 2016, y'all, and that is to me the perfect pair, no pun intended. But this shoe right here, y'all, like I said, man, there's no need for your boy Jay. Y'all tell me, look at it, take a look at my roof, get a good look at my pair, y'all. Take a look at the details inside and out, y'all. Do I need a pair of 2025 Jordan 12 flu games? Comment your opinion. My opinion, I'm stuck on it, and I didn't even know, y'all. This is a size 9.5, y'all. This ain't even a size mine. You can't even see it, but this is a size, yeah, you can kind of see it right there, y'all. 9.5, y'all. So this isn't even a size 9, man. So that makes me think. So we will, like I said, we'll get in, of course, a 2025 pair, so we can let you guys know about the size and details and all that stuff on it, y'all, just for, you know, review sake. But I'm good, y'all. I'll get that pair and I will sell it. I'll probably get rid of it. I don't need to double up, none of that stuff, man, because it just shows me that this is not a shoe that I'm gonna wear often. I definitely don't need two of them, because since 2016, y'all, I've only worn this shoe like twice. Since 2016, y'all. So it just lets you know, man, your boy Jay don't be throwing on flu game 12s like that, man. I got a lot of shoes, and I guess that this isn't one of my go-to red and black shoes. One of my go-to red and black shoes, y'all, have been the Jordan 1 patents. I got 2 pairs of those, right? Yeah, I got 2 pairs of those patent bread Jordan 1s. That is a go-to of mine when it comes to black and red shoes. What else do I wear? I know my go-to when it comes to black and gray shoes is the Shadow 2.0s. Like, I have my picks, you know what I'm saying? Like, and I'm sure everyone else does. You can have a 1,000,001 shoes in your collection, but you still have your go-tos, y'all. And just these aren't a go-to for me, y'all. But y'all comment down below, man. A lot of people are excited for these, and I think I would be right there with you if I didn't have a pair. If my drive, my urge for them wasn't fixed, you know, I would be feeling the same way. But I'm happy to see them returning, but I don't need them. And I, just being real with y'all, I would have been more so a fan of the Nubuck pair. That is because you see my pair, but that's just me being biased because my pair looks good. Not everyone has a pair. Not everyone's pairs looks like mine who got them back in 2016, if they still got them, you know what I'm saying? So I understand, I get it. A lot of people want the OG way. congrats, that's what you're getting, but I would have preferred the nubuck pair because I keep my shoes clean, in good condition, and I still got a good 2016 pair. So, but yeah, man, is anyone excited for these? I just wanted to chop it up with y'all and just spread the news that, hey, bro, we got what a lot of y'all wanted, man. We got the leather pair. The nubuck pair is not releasing. So March 1st, which is under 2 months away, y'all. Like, time is rolling. We are already about to be in the first week of January. So, hey, man, time is not waiting for no man. And I ain't gonna say that, but anyways, yeah, man, that is it. Your boy Jay just wanted to chop it with y'all on this Friday. Tomorrow we might go outside and vlog something, man. Just vlog the stores. We don't have any releases for tomorrow, so we're gonna kind of have to make our own release Saturday type video, but you know, we gonna have fun either way it goes. But I appreciate y'all as always. Thank y'all for rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, thumbs it up. We got what we wanted, what y'all wanted, not what I wanted. But hey, man, if the fam wants it, I'm good with it. You know, but y'all stay blessed. I'm going to the next one. Blue games are back. Yeah. Grab y'all soul premise bag, man.